Hello everyone, this is Marco. A quick wrap up here for the European session. Today is July 11th, 2012. It's FOMC day, so we have the Fed meeting minutes coming up later. I'm always a bit cautious on that day, like the non-farm payroll day and the ECB day. So actually, I was looking to trade in front of that today, but as I said, I was quite cautious about any moves. Usually we see a sideways range in front of that, but I felt we might see a bit of better volatility than usual. Um, well, I look here at the euro dollar. It's still very risk averse here. So the market sentiment is risk off. We are still trading in a downtrend. We are trading below the key area, which is here right now at 123.30. We have the hourly 100 hourly MA here, the blue line, and the purple line, as you know, is my 5-day VWAP. So we're trading below that, and we also have resistance up here, a little trend line, and as you can see, the price is below that area. Euro dollar tried to break up today a bit higher because that green line, which is a 2-hour 100 MA, sorry, the 2-hour 20 MA EMA here, but as you can see, we made a double top, and now moving even below pivot here, moving below the red line, which is 30-minute and 20 EMA. So looking quite bearish right now again. Looks like we right now pushing lower, but again on a FOMC day I will stay put here. I will sit on my hands until we get the event past us here. I didn't trade the euro dollar today in the European session, but I was watching that trend line here. A break of that trend line might have caused some shift in risk sentiment, but as long as that hold, we had a mild risk appetite today in the European session. As you can see, that changed here throughout the day, but in the European session it was a bit risk on. But since we are trading below some major major moving average, I decided to go here with a cable. Cable was looking better to the upside in my opinion, and I will show you why. So here's a cable chart also in the 50-minute time frame. Yesterday cable already tried to break higher. It failed miserably here, but at least it tried to break above the blue line here, above the 100 hourly MA. We also had that resistance level which got tested, also failed to break higher, and then moved lower. But you can see a cable got a bit of a boost here. So I was thinking, well, we might see another test of that area today, and the moving average here, the shorter ones, were lining up a bit to the upside now, and I think at that point here I was thinking about going long, but I said, well, let's see if we really break. Actually wanted to see a break and a retest to go long, but I didn't want to wait. I saw the pair again moving off that shorter term average here, moving average here, and I went long here at 155.38 level, just anticipating a break of that area, maybe an attack of the highs from yesterday, also that previous high here. So we cable broke higher and took out half at 50, and then just trailed my stop very tightly behind that level again at 47. I got stopped out for the second half, so roughly 10 pip profit here. But my initial plan was, as I said, a breakout of that level, a retest of that key area, and then going long. So I went long here again, looking for new highs. It was also a weekly high here right now then, so I thought with fresh weekly highs we might see another push to the upside. But if you remember, euro dollar was just testing the trend line, and I thought at that point, well, euro dollar could track down the cable here also. if we break that trend line. So I got out at break even again, just waited a bit more. When I saw the trend line holding, then I also went long again in cable at 38 this time. Took out half for 10 pips, and then when we got near my Fibonacci expansion target level here, I took out the second half for 20 pips. It was also the end of the session, so I didn't hold it for longer. A nice push here by the cable. So that level now here, the breakout level now, is the obvious support, the new support, and we have the 20-day VWAP above us here, so that is the next major resistance level. So for me, any move here in that area until that level is just a retrace of that down move here. So cable likes to test that 61.8 level quite often in a retrace, so I think we have potential to go to that level here and then maybe moving lower. For now I will also stay away in front of FOMC meeting, but technically speaking I could see a move to that area here and then maybe a move lower again. So after all, we got here 25 pips out of that move, which is decent for an FOMC day. So let's see how things are tomorrow after the Fed meeting. We could have a completely different picture. I will sit on my hands right now and just wait for things to come. Okay guys, bye.